Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I shall introduce the C language and discuss about the structure of C programs. C is a general purpose programming language. I would categorize C as a middle level programming language as it contains the characteristics of high level and low level programming languages. Its instructions consist of algebraic expressions and certain English keywords such as if, else, for, while, etc. In this respect, C resembles high-level structured programming languages such as Pascal and Fortran. It also contains certain features which allows it to be used as low-level language. This flexibility allows C to be used for system programming as well as application programming. Every C program consists of several functions implemented in one or more C files, one of which must be named main. The program always begins by executing the main function. Then, the programmer defined functions follow the execution of main function. Let us examine a program to understand the structure in more detail. The C code shown implements a program to calculate the total area of 5 circles. The program reads the radius of 5 circles provided by the user from Serial Communication Interface, calculates the total area of all the circles, and prints back the result. The program is implemented in multiple files. Those are area.c, serial.c, and util.c. Area.c implements functions main, get underscore radius, and put underscore area. Serial.c implements all the logic required to communicate over the serial channel and provides functions like read underscore serial and write underscore serial. Util.c implements ASCII to int, float to ASCII, and string underscore copy functions. The prototype of these functions are defined in serial.h and util.h header files. A C program is implemented in a text file with .c extension. Line number 1 and 2 include special files called header files. These files are included as functions implemented in the corresponding C files are used in area.c. The line number 4 defines a macro pi which is replaced by the actual value while compilation. The line number 6 is a comment line. Note the syntax of the comment. A programmer can provide human-readable information in the form of comments and are a good way to document the code. Comments are ignored by the compiler during compilation process. Note, comments cannot be nested. The line number 7 and 8 are prototypes of programmer-defined functions. These functions are defined in the source file area.c. Line number 11 defines a global variable which is accessible from any function defined in area.c. Then the definition of function main follows. As explained earlier, the program begins by executing the function main. A function is a self-contained piece of program that carries out a meaningful task and is a unit of execution. Function definition has certain parts. The int before main is a data type that defines the type of data returned by the function. Main is an identifier or the name of the function. The function identifier is followed by the list of arguments enclosed in parentheses. Argument is used to pass information to a function. No argument is passed to the function main, hence the keyword void. The argument list is followed by a compound statement enclosed in braces. These statements define the task carried out by the function. The first two lines in the function main declare a couple of variables. The variables area and index are of type float and integer respectively. Radius is an integer array. The size of array follows the variable identifier in square brackets. These variables cannot be accessed outside the function main, hence are called local variables. The next lines are initialization statements which initialize variables with values. Then there is a while and a for loop. The loop executes a set of statements until certain condition holds true. We shall discuss the details of various C constructs in the subsequent lessons. There are various function calls, for example write_serial, get_radius, etc. The function main ends with a return statement. It is used to return a value to the calling segment of the program. The rest of the code in area.c define functions getRadius and putRadius. And the structure of these functions are similar to that of function main. This is how a typical C program would look like. We shall look into various components of C program in detail in the coming lessons. Thank you.